In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership Figma. If you are handing off a project or leaving a team, transferring ownership ensures the right person has full control over the file's permissions and future changes. It's a simple process, but there are a few details to watch for so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the exact file you want to transfer. Ownership is set per degree Fahrenheit (IL), so make sure you are in the correct one before you proceed. Once the file is open, look to the top right corner of the canvas and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window where you can see who currently has access and what role each person holds. Before you can hand over ownership, the recipient needs editing access. If they're not already listed, invite them by entering their email and setting their permission to can edit. If they're already there but only have viewing rights, change their permission to can edit. This step matters because Figma only allows you to assign ownership to someone who can edit the file. With that in place, find their name in the list and open the drop-down next to it. From the available roles, choose Owner. This is the key action that shifts full control from you to them. If you don't see the Owner option, double-check that you are the current owner, that the person has edit access, and that you are both in the same team or organization where your plan permits ownership changes. When you select Owner, Figma will display a confirmation prompt explaining that this change can't be undone by you. Read it carefully. Transferring ownership is irreversible from your side, and only the new owner will be able to transfer it again later. Confirm the change to complete the transfer. After the transfer, the file stays exactly where it is, and all existing comments, components, and version history remain intact. Links you've shared will continue to work based on the file's permissions. You'll keep whatever access the new owner leaves you with, typically edit or view. So if you still need to contribute, make sure that's arranged before you confirm. That's all it takes to transfer ownership in Figma. Thanks for watching.